How to create multiple workbook based on a list in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple Excel file based on a list in Microsoft Excel. I have created a template file. Let me open it. This is the file I'm going to create. Okay, this is my template file and here I have the list. Okay, I'm going to create multiple workbook based on this workbook name, and I'm going to include this information inside that workbook. Okay, so in john.inc, I'm going to add the company name, zip code, phone number and email, and it will be pasted in the template. Let me open it. So in this template, company name will be john.inc, and here we will paste the zip code, phone number, email. Okay, so let's do it. First, I'm going to create a list and I'm going to paste the template, and then right above I will create a file where I'm going to paste all the Excel workbook. Okay, this tree is very important. Okay, so we have our list. From this workbook we'll copy this template multiple times and create several Excel workbooks based on the list here, and we'll paste this inside this folder named files. Okay, now let's open the list workbook. Here I have already created workbook name list, and I have already written all the information that I want to include in that workbook. Okay, now I'm going to click on the developer tab and click on Visual Basic, then click on Insert and then click on Module. Now I'm going to write a code. I have already written the code. Let me explain it. The first thing you'll need is the worksheet name. Okay, so our worksheet name is sheet 1 and our list starts from cell A2. Okay, so let's check it. In our list workbook, our worksheet name is sheet 1 and our list begins from cell A2. Now here we have our template.xlsx. This is the workbook we are going to copy, and we are going to create the same workbook based on our list from cell A2. Okay, so we have our template.xlsx workbook. Let's check it. Here we have our template.xlsx workbook. Now these are the information we are going to copy from our list workbook to our template workbook and then create our workbook from those lists. Okay, here we are going to paste company name in the worksheet invoice template and cell B1. Okay, let me open it and it will be clear. I'm going to open the template.xlsx workbook. Here we have company name in cell B1. So we have included that information here. Invoice worksheet and range B1. This is where we are going to paste the company name, and our company name will be in the next cell of our list. So I have used the offset function here. We are going to go one column right. Okay, so here we have added 1 and we don't want to change the rows. We're going to look at the same row. This is why the row part is empty. Okay, and the next line includes the zip code, where we are going to paste the zip code in cell B3 and we are going to take it from the second column. Okay, let's check that. Here we have zip code and we are going to offset 2 column 1 2. Here we have our zip code and we're going to paste it in the cell B3. You can check that here. This is how we have written all these lines. Okay, if you want to add any more line, you can do that using the same option. And then here we have files. This is the folder where we are going to paste all our workbooks. Okay, so this is the code. We're going to close it and we're going to close the template also. Now if you want to use this frequently, you have to save this workbook in .xlsm format. Okay, so our code is ready and we're going to click on macro, click on run, and it's done. Let me minimize it, and here in the file folder we have our listed workbooks. Okay, if I open the first workbook, you can see we have added our workbook name. In the company name section, we have added the phone number, email address and zip code, and we have added all this information from our list workbook and it was written here. So let's open another file and it's working just fine. So this is how you can create multiple workbooks based on list in Microsoft Excel, and you can also include specific information to your newly created workbooks. This is what I wanted to show you. If you need the code, please check the link in the video description. You will find the code there. If you need any help regarding this tutorial, you can leave a comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.